Welcome to the Loop English Pod. Today, you're shopping for the perfect outfit. When you want to try something on, you probably say it the way your textbook taught you. But there's a much more natural way to ask. We'll catch that in today's textbook trap. Let's listen.
Hi there. Welcome in. Can I help you find anything today?
Hi, yes actually. I'm looking for a dress for a friend's wedding.
Oh, nice. When's the wedding?
It's in 2 weeks, so I'm a little bit pressed for time.
No worries, we've got a great selection. Do you have a style in mind? Formal, semi-formal?
Semi-formal, I think. Something elegant but not too over the top.
Got it. What about color? Are you open to anything, or do you have something specific in mind?
I was thinking maybe navy or burgundy. Something deep.
Perfect. Follow me, I'll show you what we have over here.
Oh, I really like this one. What sizes do you have it in?
That one runs from extra small to extra large. What size are you usually?
Usually a small, but sometimes I need a medium depending on the cut.
I'd grab both and try them on. Better to have options.
Good idea. Do you have this in a smaller size? I only see the medium on the rack.
Let me check the back for you. One moment. You're in luck, here's the small.
Great. Can I try this on?
Of course. The fitting rooms are right over there, past the accessories wall.
Thank you so much.
Now let's break down some key phrases, starting with today's textbook trap. Your textbook probably taught you to say, I would like to try this garment on, please. It's correct, but nobody actually talks like that in a store. What you'll actually hear is, can I try this on? Simple and natural. When asking if someone needs help, Jake said, can I help you find anything today? You could also say, are you looking for something specific? Or, is there anything I can point you toward? Emily said she was pressed for time. That means she doesn't have much time. You could also say, I'm in a bit of a rush, or, I don't have a lot of time today. Jake told Emily to grab both options. In casual English, grab often just means take. You could also say pick up both, or take a couple of options. Now let's listen to part 2.
Okay, so the small fits pretty well, but it's a bit tight around the shoulders.
That happens a lot with this style. Want to try the medium?
Yeah, let me give it a go. The medium fits better in the shoulders, but it's a little loose at the waist.
That's actually an easy fix, a tailor can take it in. It wouldn't cost much.
Oh, I hadn't thought of that. Good point.
How does this look, overall? Do you feel good in it?
I think so. What do you think?
Honestly? That looks great on you. The length is perfect.
I'm not sure about the color though. The burgundy is lovely, but I wonder if navy would suit me better.
We do have this in navy. Do you want to try that version too?
Do you have this in a different color in the medium?
For the medium, we have navy and forest green. The burgundy only goes up to small.
Oh, that's a shame. I'll try the navy then. Okay, I think I actually prefer this one. The navy feels more like me.
It really suits you. That's a solid choice for a wedding.
Alright, I think I've made up my mind.
Here are more ways to express what you just heard. Emily said the dress was a bit tight around the shoulders. Instead of a bit, you can say slightly, a little, or just kind of tight. They all mean the same thing. When Jake talked about getting the dress adjusted, he said, it wouldn't cost much. You could also say it's pretty affordable, it's not expensive, or it won't break the bank. Emily said, I've made up my mind. This means she's decided. You can also say, I've decided, I know what I want, or I'm going with this one. Jake said the dress suits Emily. To suit someone means it looks right on them or fits their personality. You could also say it works for you, or it really fits your style. Now let's listen to part 3.
Okay, I'll take this one. The navy medium.
Excellent choice. Let me grab that for you.
Actually, before we go to the register, what's your returns policy?
We do 30 days for returns or exchanges, as long as the tags are still on and you have your receipt.
Can I return it if it doesn't work out? Like, if the tailor says it can't be fixed?
Absolutely. As long as it's unworn and within the 30 days, no problem.
That's reassuring. Good to know.
While we're here, do you need anything else? We have some lovely scarves that go really well with that dress.
Oh, show me. I was thinking about getting an accessory.
This silk scarf in cream would look stunning with the navy. Very classic.
You know what, I'll take that too. It's perfect.
Great. I'll ring both of these up for you. Do you have a loyalty card with us?
No, I don't think so. Do I need one?
Not at all. It just gives you points toward future purchases. Takes a second to sign up if you want.
Sure, why not?
Perfect. And how would you like to pay? Card or cash?
Card, please.
Go ahead and tap whenever you're ready. Would you like a bag for that?
Yes, please, that would be great.
You're all set. Good luck at the wedding, I'm sure you'll look amazing.
Thank you so much for your help. Really appreciate it.
Let's explore a few more useful alternatives. Emily asked, "What's your returns policy?" You might also hear, "Can I return this if it doesn't fit?" Or, "What's your exchange policy?" They're often used interchangeably. Jake said, "I'll ring these up for you." That means he'll put the items through the register. You can also say, "I'll check you out. I'll process this for you." Or, "Let's get you sorted at the till." Jake said, "You're all set." This is a very common phrase in American English meaning everything is done and you're good to go. You'll also hear "you're good," "all done," or "we're all sorted." Jake offered to ring both of these up. When a store worker asks, "Is there anything else?" it's your cue to say, "That's everything, thanks," or "I think that's it," if you're done. Time for the loop. Let's practice some key phrases.
I'm looking for a dress. Can I try this on?
The fitting rooms are right over there.
Do you have this in a smaller size? It's a bit tight around the shoulders. Do you have this in a different color?
That looks great on you.
I'm not sure about the color. I've made up my mind. I'll take this one. What's your returns policy? Can I return it if it doesn't work out?
Would you like a bag for that? You're all set.
That's all for today's episode. Shopping for clothes in English is a great opportunity to use natural, everyday phrases, and now you have the tools to do it confidently. If this episode helped you, subscribe to the Loop English Pod so you never miss a lesson. Here's a quick look at everything we practiced today. Thanks for listening to the Loop English Pod. See you next time.